Are you ready to elevate your piano tuning services and increase your value as a piano technician? Introducing the Field Regulation course from the Piano Technician Academy, a comprehensive, self-paced training program designed to help field tuners enhance the performance of any piano in any condition on any budget. This course is taught by internationally respected piano technician and instructor Jason Cassel, RPT, whose engaging and effective teaching style has earned him recognition around the world. Under his guidance, you'll learn how to apply practical, real-world regulation techniques that will significantly improve both upright and grand pianos right in your clients' homes. Since 2009, PTA has trained thousands of piano technicians all over the world, and we built this course using the latest in e-learning technology, not just another plug-and-play platform used by other organizations. Combined with cinematic quality videography, this course offers an educational experience that sets a new standard in the field of piano technology. By adding regulation to your service offerings, you'll not only deliver a more complete experience to your clients, you'll also gain a greater confidence in your work and increase your earning potential. The Field Regulation course, the skills you wish you had on your last job. Learn more and enroll today at pianotechnicianacademy.com.